Hello friends, today I'm at a beautiful place called the Peeku Park of Yercaud, and these are the instructions that has been given at the entrance of Peeku Park that need to be followed inside the bird shed. So don't forget to have a look on these instructions. The first section of Peeku Park is consisting of some red-faced and blue-faced parrots. They are mainly found in the forest area of France and Australia. In the next section of the Peeku Park, I have seen the beautiful vibrant colored sun conure. They are mainly found in the North America. Whitekakatos are also called as umbrella kakatos are mainly found in the lowland tropical rainforest of Indonesia. Whitekakatos are kept as pets because they are very affectionate and bond closely with people, and they are always valued for their beauty. And the interesting fact is whitekakatos can learn a large number of words and able to construct simple sentences. In the next section of the Peeku Park, I have seen swans. Swans feed in water and on land. They are almost herbivorous, however they may eat small amount of aquatic animals. In the water, food is obtained by upending or dabbling. The main food of swans are roots and stems and leaves. Ostrich is a flightless bird mainly found in Africa. Now we are seeing some of the popular chicken breeds of the world, which is very beautiful. So here comes the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So for more interesting and informative videos, don't forget to subscribe and support my channel, because your subscription is a motivation for me. I see you all in my next video. Bye bye.